So the secret of creativity is to be disciplined, is to have a vision, is to have a direction where you can flow all your energy. A water will only find its meaning when you're in a medium, right? To have some shape. You can be the water that you want to be. Is it writing? Is it singing? Is it photography? So what's your medium? My name is Prem. I am a creative writer working in Studio A. So I take care of content writing. For the love of writing, I took a step back from the company I found. Well, that's when I felt belong. When I wrote, I felt belonged. People always celebrate entrepreneurship a lot, right? Nothing wrong in it, but we also underestimate the power of work. So we easily tag it as 9 to 5 and say you always have to be an entrepreneur, be it an entrepreneur or be it a painter, be it a musician, or even a mechanic or even an auto driver. The work you do, the problem you solve, that matters a lot. So as a creative writer, every day is a different day. One moment I'll be writing a blog about, say, the power of photography in changing lives. Next moment I'll be interviewing an auto driver who went on to give 2 TED Talks. So in creative writing, I take care of social media in my company. So we're always driven by these dramatic moments in life, right? Talk about reaching a mountain top, talk about diving into an ocean. This inspires us, right? Talking about a great book that you want to make or a great film that you want to make, it can never happen overnight. It's about the little things that accumulates to become the bigger thing later. To release your first book would really be exciting, but to actually sit and write every day would be boring at times. It's not so easy. So writing is a powerful tool. You can create a great impact through writing. So that's one part of my work that I love a lot. So ultimately, I think you have to define what happiness means to you. Is it money? Is it fame? Is it your career? Is it family? Because as much as you seek something, that thing is also seeking you. So this connection has to happen. So for this connection to happen, you have to let time guide you. Writing was my purpose. I clearly nailed it. There is no balance in a creative pursuit. Writing is a way of living for me. So I'm also passionate about making films. I make short documentary films. So being a writer helps me in making films a lot. I empathize about people I write about the place I write about. Content is crazy. Content is driving all the business today. There is so much potential for content writers today, but you have to know what you want to write about. I wrote for brands, I wrote for fashion, travel, people. So I then figured out people and emotions were 2 things I love to write about. To be a content writer successfully takes a lot of time, and you can't earn a lot initially when you become a content writer. When you find a line of interest in content, right, then you will be able to find your own style. Then you can earn a lot. It can be through books, it can be through the blog you write, it can be through the content that you write for brands. A writer can manifest himself into a filmmaker or into a communication manager or into a client manager. So writing per se will give you confidence to connect to people, to express yourself more. You can never really jump into writing because you have a market in it or because somebody says that you can make a lot of money. No. Only when you have a flair for writing, only when you have this compulsive urge to write, will you become a writer. I'd say character and discipline are 2 things that will actually make you a great writer. Only by practice, only by experience can you know what you want to become. So the route to become a writer, it will eventually happen when you keep writing. So to write content uniquely, you have to be the person who actually can create creative content. You have to have a good language in terms of communication. So as a writer, you will be constantly facing criticism. There will be a point where you will actually hate writing. First place you came to writing because you wanted to write a lot. The trick would be how to fall in love with what you do often. So it's not only about how you earn through content writing, it's more about how you stay happy through writing content. When you're able to define who you are inside, then will you be able to do anything in life. Find a cause in your life that drives you every day, which makes you stay awake all night and dream when you're actually awake in the morning, in the afternoons. What is that one story you want to tell to the world and live it to the fullest?